Hello world! In this tutorial we're going to learn how to decode a binary message. You can see here that I tweeted that I have a number of Twitter followers, which is 40k, but it's written in binary. So then my good friend Mike here, #myfavoritehacker, replied with a binary message. But yeah, obviously I don't know what it means, so I have to decode it. Alright, let's take the message. And I have here a script.js file. Let's store it in a message variable like that. Okay, let's increase the font so you can see better. So basically we have a string with binary numbers separated by a space. So if we go message split, here we're going to get all the binary numbers separated inside an array. So let's save it in a arrays variable and let's console.log it. Res. Save the file, and if we run the script, you can see that we have an array with the binary numbers. And now we can do a map and we get the binary numbers, and we can do parse int, pass in the binary and 2, because we wanted to convert it from the 2 base number. Okay, let's run this again. And you can see now that we have numbers, which is what we want. Now let's take these numbers and convert them into characters. So we're going to do another map. Here we have number, and we want to do string from char code, and we pass in the number. Now if we save and rerun the script, you're going to see that it's converted to letters, which is good. Let's join back this array into a string with join, like that, and we can see now what's the message. That's so cool, Florin. Alright, so that's it. We converted a binary message into a string. Oh, look at that. So we have another reply with a binary message from Chloe. Let's see what she said. Take this message and put it in our sort of function here. Save it and let's run it. You are welcome. Nice. So see how easy it is to decode a message now that we have our function. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye.